What's up? How's it going? Welcome to another Language Broker English lesson. Today we're going to learn more vocabulary by learning shapes. We will learn new words and pronunciation. This lesson is short and sweet, so let's get started. Circle, circle, circle. Semicircle, semicircle, semicircle. Ring, ring, ring. Oblong, oblong, oblong. Cylinder, cylinder, cylinder. A can of paint is a cylinder. Triangle, triangle, triangle. A slice of pizza looks like a triangle. Cone, cone, cone. Pyramid, pyramid, pyramid. Square, square, square. Rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Cube, cube, cube. Pentagon, pentagon, pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Hexagon, hexagon, hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. A hexagon has 6 sides. Octagon, octagon, octagon. A octagon has 8 sides. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Star, star, star. Crescent, crescent, crescent. Heart, heart, heart. Cross, cross, cross. Arrow, arrow, arrow. Okay, that is all for today. You learned quite a few shapes, so practice, practice, practice. Practice your pronunciation. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you. Please click like, click subscribe. Go to the next lesson. Have a wonderful and beautiful day. I will see you soon. Bye.